Want to be our value growth partner? At Value Growth Audit, we believe that innovative ideas are the future. Aren't business activities getting evolved with time? Haven't digitalization and the internet transformed our trade activities? What about the managing business? Isn't there a need to digitalize and automate business management? We have the answer, and it's Value Growth Audit. It is a digital platform for small and medium businesses which has several metrics to cover every aspect of business and management functions. In simple words, it provides a broad management, audit and solutions to realize the complete potential of business while also safeguarding it from any current or future threats, risks and uncertainties. Now here is the list of industries we serve. Value Growth Audit is developed in a way to serve every industry with respect to unique attributes of them. Like a friend to a management team, VGA provides strategies for survival, growth and business expansion. For this, the Value Growth Auditors, or shall we say our strategic partners, be in complete coordination with clients. The task at hand is big and so are the rewards. Value Growth Partners understand the client's business, its problems and gather the necessary information. The platform is designed by expert professionals with diverse experience to provide a detailed report which covers complete evaluation including identifying deviations, checking efficiency and effectiveness, and suggesting the required courses of action. The Value Growth Partners share these findings, the different problem areas and various solutions with the client. As every business is unique, the Value Growth Partner has to customize the solutions as per client's demands and various other factors like scale of business, future plans, budget, level of technology and more. You might be wondering who can be our Value Growth Partner? Anyone and everyone with management knowledge and experience. The management enthusiasts, professionals, consultants, even the management pass-outs and trainees. A Value Growth Auditor believes in hard work, develops a broader approach and is ready to face dynamicity and the challenges of business growth. This is an opportunity to expand your management skills, polish your management knowledge, sharpen your core competency and earn big. Won't we take care of our growth partners? To be a Value Growth Partner, you need to make a small investment and then move on to a high potential of earning big. We follow a highly rewarding and benefiting revenue sharing model for the overall development of our Value Growth Partners. So, convinced to be our Value Growth Partner? Like and share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.